Okay, so I'm going to show you how to replace the connector on the end of the tire inflector hose. So this sleeve that looks like a spring needs to be screwed down the hose down to about this level, and that'll allow you just to pull this out, push the new one back in and screw the sleeve back up. So just make sure your fingers are dry and clean. You got a good grip. If you can't get it started with your fingers, you may just need to grip it lightly with a pair of pliers just to get it going. But once you get it going, you should turn down the sleeve very easily. A little bit tight first. You can see it's starting to move now. You can see it's starting to come down the hose. It's turning a lot easier now. Now it's very easy. Just pull that back out the way, and now we need to grab this tightly and twist and pull at the same time to pull this out of the hose. I'm just going to do that. So there we go, and you can see the barbs on here which the spring grips onto. So that's the old one, and the new one is here. So I suggest just to wet the barbs on here. It'll help push it into the hose. I'm just gonna put some water on those, so that's gonna go inside the hose. Just push that up, help just give it a twist. Okay, now we need to screw this screw back on. So up to there, that's back on, so that's locked onto the barbs. So our new connector's on now, and that's it.